are planning to stay in Pangasinan for 1 week. It was a 6-hour drive from our place in Antipolo. At dahil medyo kailangan na ng pahinga at makapag-stretch before ituloy ang mahabang road trip going to the beaches of Pangasinan, naghanap muna kami ng madadaanan na pwedeng tambayan kahit saglit lang. We found this amazing gem of a place and we thought that it was just small. Surprisingly, our planned 15-minute stay lasted for over an hour. Ang ganda kasi talaga ng lugar at napaka-accommodating ng mga tao, especially its owner, Steven, whom we spent some time chatting, and he told me about the history of the place and how he and his family built it. It's the Red Baron Resto Bar. We discovered that this is a fairly new establishment, but somehow it gives us the feeling that it has been up for a very long time. Siguro dahil sa ambience ng lugar na talaga namang mamamangha ka sa koleksyon ng bike memorabilia displayed all around, including antique bikes and car plate numbers which goes back as far as 1950s. You'll be amazed about the collection of hogs and bikes that they have, and here are some of the things you'll see inside. If you are a fan of bikes, hogs, museums, and good food, music, and drinks, this is a place you certainly would enjoy. Pagpasok pa lang, busog na ang mata mo. Tapos sasabayan mo pa ng food and drinks na available sa menu nila. They serve Filipino dishes, desserts, snacks, and drinks. Service is superb. Ang babait ng staff and you will really feel the welcome. Red Baron Resto Bar is a must-visit location that you should include on your itinerary whether going to or from Pangasinan. Madadaanan sila if you are planning to go to Bolinao, Alaminos, or Anda kasi nasa Suwal, Pangasinan lang sila. To get their actual location, here is their Facebook page or visit their website. You can follow them to know about upcoming events, including performances of the live local bands and other information, including table reservations. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go na!